Hey guys, it's Hugh here, and I've stumbled on a pretty nice piece of kit here that I thought you might like to know about. It's called Easy Pro Reviews. And for those of us that are making our living online, we know that the key to really making money online is publishing as many pages as you can that actually have the ability to direct traffic to your offer through your affiliate link and to make it look good and appetizing for the public at large. So if you have the ability to publish pages that get people clicking and interested in purchasing, then that's really going to be really helpful to you. And that's exactly what Easy Pro Reviews does for you. So I'm going to give you a demo of that. In fact, I've already created one over here with my ICC Express. It looks pretty nice. And this is like the review type of page. And you can really set this up to make some really nice pages here. And all these links are live. And all I did was fill in some info and click a button and it created this whole thing. The bonuses are included with the system and everything. So let me just show you how we're going to do that. You want to put your ClickBank ID here and your YouTube search API key here, and that's all really easy to do, and they provide full training for everything. In fact, they provide a ton of training. That's some of it's not even, it's not vital to actually, creating the review, but it's helpful for you to learn how to get traffic and stuff. So they have a lot of really good training in here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go and put software demo, and let me just scroll this up so you can see the full thing right here. Let me get rid of this, and so you can see, and you put in your ClickBank if you have it, your YouTube API for the searching, and you go get started. Now on the next page, you're going to enter some info about your product. And the way you want to think about this is basically a bridge page with all your affiliate links. So what comes out is this page that lets you to just put this out there, and anybody that clicks it, you automatically get credited for your sale and everything through the affiliate links. You're going to have a little info ready to go. I think they're working on an autofill system, or maybe already be in there, but personally I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste some stuff. So what I'm going to do is, for my ICC Keyworks, I put my company name here, and I'm going to put my product link actually is not on this. So basically you just want to click this unless you want to grab something that they have listed here, and they have a lot of cool products listed for you to choose from if you just want to pick a product. But I'm going to choose mine, so I'm going to click this and put my sales page right there, and then I'm going to put my title, ICC Keyworks software, and then I'm going to get my review video, actually, which is on the sales page here. So I'm just going to go over to there, grab a video, which I actually have this in a player, so I'm going to have to do a little digging just to get the URL, but hold on just a second. Okay, so I've got my YouTube. That isn't what I wanted to do. I wanted to get the YouTube code, paste that in here. So I've got my YouTube. I just want the ID. The start time is going to be, you have to put it in this format, and it's $3.49, so I'll just put 0349, and the system should take it. I'm going to grab a background image, just take this one right here. And so now I'm going to go back to my sales page and just grab a few bits from that. So you see I'm grabbing this right here, put it in testimonial number 1. One of our awesome customers. And another one right here. Just put that in here. And then we'll grab one more. Okay, and so that'll make us be all done with our testimonials. And then the product image URL, we have a nice box shot of this software right here. I'm going to copy this image address and just put it right here. And then I will grab awesome bullet points right here. First, we want a list of product reviews or features, and then review text. So we're going to grab okay, so here's the features. I'm just going to grab all these bullet points, copy them, put them right in here. Should be one per line. Let's make sure it is. Because you might have an issue with formatting, so make sure you get that right. It should be good for that one. And now another set of info for what they consider the review. Probably not exactly a review, but that's just going to be what we do, just so actually you can spend your time figuring out what's the best text to put in there. Now the free bonus URLs, this is really cool because they have all these bonuses in all these different categories. You don't really have to have your own, but you can click here and put your own bonus links. I'm going to go like get more backlinks. I can't really read that one. Let's go affiliate marketing master plan, online business handbook. So you can go through all these. They have quite a few. List building secrets, email marketing. So you can choose a few of those, and then you just click add bonuses, and they're all listed here in the formatting that they want. So yes, I will put my support email address in there, and I'll also put it down here, and then I'm going to click to create review page, and it says my review page has been created. So now if you want to see it before you download it, you can do that. Once you download it, the test links are gone, so you want to just test it and see how it came out. So here's how it came out, and all that stuff is formatted really nicely. All these links are my links. If it's not your product, you can put your affiliate links to the other products, and it's like a bridge page over to the affiliate offer, and it's really great way to get out more pages to sell your product. And you can see that these bonuses are here, and It says click here to get your bonuses. Basically, that just takes this whatever the sales link is in the video. In the page, whatever your sales link is, that's what it's going to click over to. You can also then say test the bonus like this. This is where the bonus is linked to. And this is actually after they would purchase. You're not going to just give away the bonuses. But that's your idea. So you can go and see what the bonuses are that people are getting. And then they can also contact you, right here. And it puts your address there and all that stuff. So it's pretty nice, pretty good way to get stuff out there. They've got the privacy policy all set for you. Now how you get this on your site, so what you can do is download the review. Now I believe you can also just keep it on their server, but you want to go ahead and download this, and it downloads as a zip file, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then if you want to see how that works out, let's go ahead and just unzip it. And then you can see that there's a folder in here that has all the files, and you can basically go and stick this folder on your own website, and then people will, you can provide traffic over to that URL. Because it's running on my desktop, this takes a little extra time to load up. It's sort of trying to load Google videos and other things that are on here, so just give it just a moment. And bingo. So here is the actual review file that's been stored on my own server here, and it's fully configured page here. Okay, so that's how it works. And the cool thing is it also comes with all the privacy pages, the disclaimer that are, kind of legally required these days, a contact page, and links to the bonuses, links to go purchase whatever your link is that you put in, and all the information I put in is right there. So it's really quick and easy way to create formatted pages to put products out there. You could just sit there and put one after another and just put your links out on different websites and stuff, and then put links in your sidebar or whatever over to this bridge page. And obviously the more pages and the more links you get out there, the more chance you have of making money. So this is a great way to build a lot of bridge pages to products. And yes, I use my own product, but the point is you don't need to use my product. Your own product. They do provide a lot of products. So, when you go to that review page and just get started once again, and then you can say affiliate URL, product URL like this, and they'll pop up a bunch of products, or click to open the JVZoo affiliate product list, and then you can pick one and put it in there. Or you can just go and grab some of the stuff that they already have listed for you. This is a great way to get started with ClickBank products. For example, if I grab this one right here, and you still have to fill out some things, but at least it has the product all set. And it has this link over here, so you can go and grab the promotional stuff and then put it into the page. And most of those ClickBank products come with a very extensive set of, they call creatives, images, and copy for you to use. So it's pretty easy to create this stuff. You'll notice it has my ClickBank link already in there. although I think it should be HTTPS, but that's okay. Maybe keeping it without that is a lower common denominator or whatever. So there you go. Along with having all these products pre-loaded for you, again, it also has the bonuses also preloaded for you, so you can choose from all different kinds of niches as well. They are having a good deal on this since they've just launching it, so probably be a good time to pick this up now. You probably get the best price the sooner you pick it up. And I have some great bonuses too for you if you pick this up through me. And specifically, the bonuses that I've earmarked for this particular promotion is some bunch of really cool stuff to help you sell stuff. Like I got this 3x Retention Pro that helps you put like animated icons to grab people's eyes so their eyes don't wander away. Buyer Comments Pro, Don Key Linker Pro. These are all, complementary tools for affiliate marketing. Special Offer Redirect Pro. And I've got this really actually very cool graphic design academy, which comes with audio, video, transcripts, and bonuses. And so you could probably even use that to create your own website or whatever. And then the 2020 Entrepreneur, which also comes with audios, videos, and the transcripts. You could probably use that to create all kinds of cool content. And so you're going to receive all of those if you pick up Easy Pro Reviews through my link. Okay, guys, so Happy New Year. Enjoy Easy Pro Reviews, and don't hesitate to hit me up. Support at instantcontentcurator.com if you have any questions or comments. All right, guys, enjoy your day. This is Hugh out. Talk to you soon. Bye.